Best Convertibles for 2024 Mini Cooper. As 2024 unfolds, the convertible market is seeing exciting new entries, with the 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible standing out as a top contender. Known for its distinctive style, fun-to-drive nature, and modern features, the latest Mini Cooper continues to charm drivers who seek an exhilarating open-air experience. The 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible offers a range of engine options that cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine that produces 134 horsepower and 162 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a spirited performance ideal for city driving and weekend getaways. For those looking for more power, the Cooper S variant comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 189 horsepower and 206 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are available with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, allowing drivers to choose their preferred driving experience. Performance and agility are key highlights of the 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible. Its front-wheel drive layout, combined with a sport-tuned suspension, offers nimble handling and a dynamic driving experience. The car's compact size and responsive steering make it easy to maneuver through tight city streets and along winding country roads. The Mini Cooper Convertible's go-kart-like handling ensures that every drive is engaging and fun. The 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible's design is unmistakably Mini. Its iconic round headlights, hexagonal grille, and distinctive body lines give it a playful yet sophisticated look. The soft-top roof is easy to operate and can be opened or closed in just 18 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 18 miles per hour. This allows drivers to enjoy the open air at a moment's notice. Inside, the cabin is stylish and functional, featuring high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a user-friendly layout. The customizable ambient lighting and circular central display add to the Mini's unique character. Technology and connectivity are also strong points of the 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible. The Mini Connected Infotainment System, housed in a distinctive circular display, offers seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay, with Android Auto available as well. The system includes navigation, real-time traffic updates, and a premium audio system for an enhanced driving experience. Safety features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist provide added peace of mind. The 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible faces competition from other top convertibles like the Mazda MX-5 Miata, BMW Z4, and Ford Mustang Convertible. The MX-5 Miata is celebrated for its nimble handling and pure driving pleasure, the BMW Z4 blends luxury with sporty dynamics, and the Mustang Convertible offers muscular performance and iconic design. In conclusion, the 2024 Mini Cooper Convertible stands out in the convertible market with its unique blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether for daily commutes or leisurely drives, the Mini Cooper Convertible delivers an enjoyable and memorable open-air experience. As Mini continues to innovate and refine its iconic model, the 2024 Cooper Convertible remains a top choice for those seeking a fun and stylish convertible.